The next song, the next two songs, we bring you back to the traditional repertoire, which is going to be Jingle Bells, followed by Silent Night.